Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for exams Class 11 Science step by step. Start by organizing your syllabus into weekly goals, prioritize weak topics, and schedule active study sessions with short breaks. Use concept maps and problem practice, teach concepts aloud, and solve past papers under timed conditions. Review notes each weekend and adjust plans as you learn which topics need more time consistently daily. Focus on understanding core concepts in physics, chemistry, and biology by linking equations to real examples and visualizing processes. Practice numerical problems with stepwise solutions and memorize key reactions and definitions with spaced repetition. Form study groups to explain ideas, quiz each other, and maintain a steady schedule. Use past papers weekly to track progress and practice time management. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future study guides. On another note, grab a little car freshener for long study drives. Automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice. It pairs surprisingly well with focus playlists and a clean ride between library sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, then return to studying. Now let's get back to the video. Balance theory and practice by studying textbook explanations, solving exemplar problems, and making concise revision notes. Allocate specific hours for experiments and diagrams, ensuring lab skills and observational accuracy are practiced regularly. Test yourself with past papers under timed conditions, analyze mistakes, and retake weak topics until accuracy improves. Schedule weekly mini-tests, track score gains, adjust the study plan, and reward milestones to stay motivated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.